is level 3.
I'm Jeremy.
Hello.
Hello.
And the fourth swingouts.
That's right. They look like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to do it from a different angle?
Sure.
This angle, maybe, yeah? 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3. Brian, you got that? Got the angle? Okay, good.
Talked about how leads change their 5 a little bit. It's more back, going back. Followers, you step forward and then you swivel at the very end. And we kind of experimented with how much we swiveled there, and that's what we did.
Yeah, leaders, we talked about the difference between a normal swing out, we'll say a normal swing out, and front facing swing out. That count 5 is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm taking a step straight back. And then on 6, I'm taking that rock step. I'm taking that forward step of the rock step. Instead of what I was previously doing, which was opening up on 5. So it's a very different feel for the followers. Make sure you're very square when you're leading a forward facing swing.
That's what we did. Oh yeah!